everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am coming along with an AliExpress haul. And oh my goodness, you guys. So if you guys know, tariffs are coming up. I don't know. I did buy 2 more things after tariffs went up, but I don't know if it's like, I don't know. Anyways, so this was before the tariffs came up, and that's because Hannah from cathyscreativekrafts was announcing the changes that were coming up and when they were going to start. And anyways, so I went crazy and bought stuff. So I had been eyeing this die for, I don't know, for over a year. So I finally, I said, you know what? Just might as well get it. It's the birthday candles numbers. Love it. I mean, I could have done, I have numbers. I could have probably done it my own way, but I had to get it. Anyways, I also got this 3D treat box, and it's, I believe this is one of the new May that came out at oh my goodness, cathyscreativekrafts. Yeah. Anyways, you guys know the May reveal. I got me another pair of angel wings. I love these, and sometimes I want to die cut more than one, so I ended up getting another one. I ended up getting the album. Oh my goodness, what is this? Oh my goodness, the spider for Halloween spider web mini album. There you go. Okay, I got that. I ended up getting the happy birthday tote bag topper. Okay, so some of the items that I ended up ordering were sold out. Like, I thought I bought some, and then when I wasn't getting the confirmation, I was like, I don't know, I don't think it went through, and it didn't. So this was sold out when I first got it, so I ended up getting it again. I did get the drink box shaker. So it has a lot of fruits in here, so yay for that. And then I also got me the coconut mini album. I had gotten the shaker and I wanted the album, and yeah, so yay. And then I got me this seashell. This is a gift box, and I got me that. I've been waiting for this hot cocoa gift pouch. It would come out on Amazon. Sorry, you guys, I'm a little slow-minded. So sorry. I have been eyeing it in Amazon. It pops in and pops out, the same as with cathyscreativekrafts. It was, I guess it was selling out, and so I finally found it. So I was so excited. I got the lemon jug album. How cute is that? So you can also make that into a box. I got the party hat explosion. So excited for that one. I also got me the gift card holder. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. So it says HB, happy birthday, and then it's treat yourself. So how cute. So it doesn't have to be just the happy birthday. It could be any other sentiment that you want to put on there. And then I had also been eyeing this ice cream mini parlor mini album, and yeah, it's more than it's not a mini, it's a big album. It's like almost a 9 by, oh shoot, let me see, 9 by 6. So that's pretty big. And I did get me the add-ons for the Halloween parlor. This is the Halloween, and of course you can use these as embellishments for future. And yeah, that is it. So I'm just waiting for 2 more items, and I'm done. Thank you guys for taking the time, and sorry for my slow delayed moments over here. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye for now.